Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at some mega filters. That's the name. PuroAir is the company. And what these are charcoal air filters. These are MERV 13. These are really nice quality, well-made filters. Now what's good about these is the charcoal is really important. It helps with odor and smoke. Also, it helps with the dander and pollution and things like that. That's what it's designed for. That's what it's designed for. Like it says, it's for dust, pollen, pets, and odors. That's what it says on the filter. So these here are really, again, nice quality. Let me look at some of the specs real quick. 4 times stronger than your common paper or air filters. Those cheap ones. This is the back side you can see. So you can see the back is the white, and in the front is the charcoal. Now the charcoal is the active ingredient that helps neutralize odor. That's what the charcoal does. Again, very, very common. This will last around 3 to 4 months. Versus the paper one you usually have in your home will last maybe a month if you're lucky. You should change them every 3 months. That's what you should do. They have them in 4 packs, 2 packs. So go ahead and check that out. I think it's well worth it. It's got 3 layers of powerful protection. It filters large particles like dust and pet hair. Then it's got the carbon tech, like I told you before, fights smaller contaminants, particles, and odor. Then it has the MERV 13 electrostatically charged filter, fights small contaminants like allergens, dander, and pollen. So that's kind of some of the specs on the filter. You know, you might pay a little bit more for these quality filters, but honestly, you really should in general. I always have a high quality filter in my house. It's very, really important. And generally, this is a nice quality overall. I like the look of it. I like the way it's made, the construction. I'll show you right here. This is a 2-pack that I have. Again, you get them in 2 packs or 4 packs. Here is the back again. You can see here, got all the reinforcements right here across the line. You can see how they're white here. And then when they get dirty, believe it or not, this is going to turn really dirty and black in the dust. You'll see all the particles. It's got reinforced mesh metal. You can see in here how it's all reinforced. Really high quality, and that's super important as well. They do say here they party lab tested, third-party lab tested. That's what this says here. So lab party tested. That's what it says, third party, which is important. And that's really nice to know that they're independently tested on something like this here, so you know it's going to work well. And again, this is a 2-pack. They come in 2 packs and also 4 packs. So I'm going to highly recommend something like this for your home. High quality air filtration is super important, especially with the colder months coming. You know, all that pollen, dander, dust, and dirt, it's going to be in your home. There's no windows open. So this is really a good option to keep your house clear and free of those odors and pet smells. So especially if you have dogs and cats, this is definitely a must. Hope it brought you some value. If I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I do all types of videos like this to help you make decisions based on your home and your environment. And if you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and also share the video. It means a lot to me. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.